Brazilski džiu-džicu je, upoređuju ga sa ljudskim šahom, znači evo, to je možda reč koja može i da opiše sport koji je najkompleksniji. Ja sam prošao skoro sve sportove i mislim da nijedan nije toliko kompleksan kao brazilski džiu-džicu. Ljudima koji ga ne poznaju možda se učini da, ne znam, valjaju se dvoje na podu, ali svaki bukvalno pokret ima svoje zašto i onda se ili gubi ili dobija na osnovu toga. Konačno, posle 13 godina vežbanja brazilskog džiu-džica, evo večera sam dobio taj crni pojas. Šta da kažem, ko je video, emocije su me savladale, krenule su suze i normalno. I drago mi je da i u ovim godinama mogu da kažem da se jedan moj san ostvaruje.
Well, I started BJJ when I was 14 years old, back in Brazil, São Paulo. The reason why I started is just because I was a troublemaker boy, and I had to, to do something. My parents, they were, tired of me fighting on the street, as every other young person, child. And then I had to find any activity. So I found jiu-jitsu through a friend of mine, and then I started. Since then I never stopped it.
Lea Neves je sa nama, to jest mi smo sa njim, tačnije rečeno, od 2004.
Since then, the jiu-jitsu has just developed as much as every other country in Europe. Of course, it's hard for you guys to catch up with the other countries because they have, financial possibilities to bring black belts.
Jeste problem su financije, ali evo kao što vidimo veliki odziv ljudi što iz našeg kluba došli su ljudi iz Osijeka, iz Hrvatske, iz Vršca, Vrbasa, tako da mogu da im se i ovom prilikom zahvalim i to je to da bi dovodili ljude koji stvarno znaju, znači moramo da budemo zajedno i da sarađujemo. Svi govorimo o tome da je tehnika, jeste tehnika presudna, ali bez snage teško.
Yes, I do have someone which is helping on my preparation to competition. I had a chance to live in Turkey, so I met Ero. He's a Bulgarian man, coach, and I had the chance to work with him 3 times a week. And since I had problem with my back, he was helping me, the posturing, how to, work with my body motion and coordination, explosiveness, strength, everything. So I'm very thankful that I had the chance to work with him because he helped me a lot and taught me a lot. And since then, I'm using all the lessons he gave me. I have a nutrition. I eat a lot of nuts. My breakfast, it's protein, based on protein, a lot of fat, yogurt, nuts, peanut butter, some vitamins, and then I go to train. After workout, I like to take some fast carbs, and after that I take some protein. Then I eat 5-6 times a day before competition. Once a year we have the belt ceremony, all right? Every year it's getting bigger and bigger and painful and painful, right? But we used to say, pain is not physical, pain is mental. Ready?